child. Okay, and boom, just like that, we ended summer with a bang. What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl, Meekah Lynne. How are you? Welcome back to the channel. A couple of things to get out the way. Of course, first and foremost, let's talk about this skincare, baby. Dare I say, the raccoon eyes are slowly leaving. I did ask for my mom's opinion. I just asked her if she noticed anything different about my face, and she did say that my dark circles looked lighter. So from the outside looking in compared to the inside looking out, I still don't see a difference, but I'm hoping, I'm praying it's working. I haven't introduced anything new into the regimen yet. You know, I'm just trying to get a feel for stuff, but of course I'll keep you guys updated. Second of all, I feel like I have to address this because of the close-up shots I do on this channel. This is not what y'all may think it is, okay? I don't want to hold up the finger, but this is not what y'all think it is, okay? I'm gonna leave it at that. Third of all, I'm thinking of adding a plant here. I don't know. I kind of think less is more, but y'all let me know what you think. Should I add a plant? Should I leave it? Because sometimes I do change angles, so I don't know. Thank you so much for tuning in. Big thank you to OUTRE for sending out the units. We are definitely going to get in to this beauty here, baby. But before we do, definitely subscribe to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below, and most importantly, y'all know the deal, watch time matters. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into Kalinda. Okay, OUTRE. So first and foremost, before we get into this review, there are a couple of things about this unit that warrant a very detailed review, okay? So I will be taking advantage of the chapter selections. Definitely feel free to hit those up if you wish. I definitely wish I would have took advantage of this color that the model is rocking. At the last minute, I changed my mind, but I was definitely going to go with the chocolate swirl. This is in the color number 2. So first impression looking at this color, it is a little bit more on the darker side. It's kind of giving me a 1B. I don't know what's up with that, OUTRE. It has a little bit of flecks of brown in it, but it definitely mimics more of a 1B. This is a very full unit. She is curly. Me personally, I don't know. I may relax the curls on this a bit, especially for the styles I have in mind. And of course, the texture is on freaking point every single time. So I can only speak for the units that I have had and the color units that I have had from OUTRE, and they have definitely nailed the texture. She is a pretty heavy unit, okay? So she is definitely fall approved in that arena. And of course, we gotta see what the hairline doing, boo. Gotta see the hairline, okay? So I am very pleasantly surprised, and guess what? This is kind of giving me Kamaya. This is the hairline that unit had. Look at that. So I'm going to try to see if I can show it to the camera. But that is looking very pluckalicious. Okay, so usually I break out my tried and true waxed it. But this go around, I do not want to change the texture on this unit. Yeah, we don't want shining bright like a diamond in the front and blowout beauty in the back. That is not what we're going for. So this go around, I am going to go in with the Wraith Spray. Hello. Bam. And I do have my hot comb already plugged in. And this is literally like number 1.5. Very, 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 very low heat.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way.
Hello, cap. So this is a very snug cap. Now keep in mind, this does not have an elastic band sewn into it, but I can tell you right now, my wig, it don't move. I don't see this coming off my head easily. Like, this is a really fitted cap. Parting space looks good. This is with the black cap underneath and literally nothing in the part, period. So I'm gonna go in with the Ebin tinted lace spray. This is in medium dark brown. This is not even glued down. Look, like, she talking, baby. Wah, 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 wah. And she is not glued down, and the melt is already there. I'm gonna go in with the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. You guys have seen this on the channel before. And I'm gonna see if I can actually just finesse these hairs and just kind of swoop them just to cover up the lace. One up here. Swoopity swoop. Swoop swoop. Swoopity swoop. Oh. Moment, please. Okay. What are we thinking? Cause baby. Okay. Check me, baby. Ow. Okay, so I'm feeling this. However, as I mentioned, I'm not a finesser with the baby hairs. It is what it is. I could possibly go in with just a little bit more of this mousse. And maybe do something like that. Whatever. Okay, so let me see if I can do the same on the other side. Okay. Oh, look at your girl getting the swoopity swoops. You see me. Don't act like you don't. Alright, so I'm just going to put just a little bit of that mousse right there. Okay, okay. Okay, I can deal with that. That looks freaking good. Ooh, child. Okay, bam, baby. So a couple of things to note about this hairline before we get into the top knot. I think the hairline looks really good. I would have preferred it a little bit more pre-plucked with the baby hairs, only because everyone is not going to be able to know how to finesse them. Now granted, this looks passable. I'm just not into the baby hairs, okay? I think the parting space looks really good. The texture is really good. There are a few snags, as you all saw. Okay, Outre. Okay. Okay, I had to throw the wig out there, baby, and boom, just like that, we ended summer with a bang. Yes, baby. Listen, let's get into the specs on this unit, because listen, y'all not gonna like me with this review. This beauty is by Outre, and it is part of their 360 Frontal Lace Wig collection. She's a 13x6 hand-tied lace frontal in the style Kalinda. Kalinda does have transparent lace, 360-degree lace edges. Listen, does not say whether or not this unit is heat safe, and of course she does come in a number of colors. Your girl went with a number 2. We've already discussed that this is more on the darker 2 side, kind of more of like a 1B mixed with a little bit of 2. Now looking at the websites, this unit is coming in at $62.94, baby. I do see one site that has it for $80.49. Take your card out, shop accordingly, slay accordingly. I do take back my statement. This is a very lightweight wig on my head. Very comfortable. You know, I could wear this all day and I would not have like that headache. I don't feel like I got bobblehead action going on, if you know what I'm saying. I did have to tug just a tinch on this side. It just would not let me be great. But I finessed it, finagled it. You guys saw what I did, and it came together really good for this particular style. I am glad that I left the baby hairs as is, kept them nice and wispy, nothing like shellacked or gelled to my head. And the fact that I winged this on the first try, baby. Listen. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the back. I'll go ahead and show you guys the side. Let me take down my viewfinder. So, okay. So I do see a little bit of lace right here. Okay. I'm gonna try my best not to use a Sharpie. Okay, I think that pretty much did it. So this is from the side. Thing right here. A little bit of lace. Since it's not really gonna be like, you know, what lace wear, clock me type of vibes back there. You could just use a Sharpie to blend it into your hairline and you will not have a problem. Listen, the holidays are around the corner. We've got Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, and weddings, baby. So if you are looking to jazz up your look, especially for weddings, come through. Listen, $60 considering how much you're spending for a wedding, I think that's okay. Okay? Yeah, so if you are interested in checking out the information for Miss Kalinda, direct link to the Google search in the description box down below. Check out the website, whoever has it, that's within your pocketbook range, whatever your coins are willing to go to. Do it, boo. Big thank you to OUTRE for sending out the unit, but most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. If you do decide to bite the bullet and pick up this unit, definitely let me know. Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I would love for you to come back to this review and let me know how she worked out for you. Bars. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Keep loving on yourself. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.